Basic Fact 7 is talking about or working with fact families again, just like we were the other day. Said yesterday that fact families normally have 4 different number sentences that you could. They've kind of filled out one number sentence for us and then given us 3 blank lines. So the first thing we have to do with these fact families, we have to figure out what number belongs in those boxes, what number goes in those blank spaces. So let's start with number 1. Blank times 10 equals 120. One thing we can do, we talked yesterday about multiplying with numbers like 10 or 20 or anything that has zeros at the end. We said we could take the 0 away and give it to the answer. So, since our answer got 1 0 from the 10, if I took that 0 away again, I'm left with the number 12. That means the missing number is 12. 12 times 10 equals 120. If I was going to write the other multiplication number sentence, all I have to do is switch the 12 and the 10. Flop them around. 10 times 12 equals 120. Now with fact families, I need 2 multiplication and 2 division number sentences. I've got my 2 multiplication now. I need to write my 2 division. With division, instead of ending with the big number, I need to start with the big number. It would be 120 divided by 12 equals 10. And for my last number sentence, all I do is switch the 12 and the 10 again. 120 divided by 10 equals 12. Remember, fact families are when you use the exact same 3 numbers. All you're doing is putting them in different orders, using multiplication and division. Question 2 is really similar to question 1. Blank times 6 equals 60. Well, I don't have a 10, so I can't take away any 0. But I could figure that out. Blank times 6 equals 60. What would I have to multiply with 6 to get 60? Kylie?
10.
10. 10 times 6 equals 60. If I want the other multiplication numbers, I just flip the 10 and the 6. 6 times 10 equals 60. Haley, make sure we're being focused. Then I flip them around to do the division. I start with 60 divided by 10 equals 6. For the last number sentence, again, I just flip the 10 and the 6. 60 divided by 6 equals 10. Now look at problem 3. Problem 3 is a little bit different here. They don't have 3 blank lines. They only have 1 blank line. So there's only 1 multiplication number sentence and 1 division. I still have to figure out what number goes in that blank space. Blank times 10 equals 100. Since I have a 10, I can use that little trick to my advantage here. If my answer got a 0 from my 10, I can take it away, and look what I'm left with. 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. And now I can see why there's not the extra blank lines. Because if I switch these around, 10 and 10, well, that's still the same thing. 10 times 10 equals 100. So that's why I couldn't have 4 different number sentences, because 2 of these numbers are the same. I can do a division number sentence. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. And again, I can only do one division number sentence, because if I tried to flip the 10 and the 10, well, it wouldn't be any different. They'll say 100 divided by 10 equals 10. Question 4 says blank times 10 equals 20. Who can tell me what belongs in that blank space? Blank times 10 equals 20. Bella, what number belongs in the blank space? Not 10, not 10 times 10 equals 20. 10 times 10 would make 100. I want it to be 20. 2, there we go. 2 times 10 equals 20. All right. Well, I need another multiplication number sentence. Who can tell me what the other multiplication number sentence should be for this fact family? Nakai?
What was it again?
I've got one multiplication number. 2 times 10 equals 20. What's the other multiplication number?
10 times 2 equals 20.
Very good. 10 times 2 equals 20. I swap the 10 and the 2. All right. What about my division number sentence? What should my division number sentence be? Haley?
20 divided by 2 equals 10.
Okay. And I've got one more division number sentence to come up with. Who can tell me what it is? Chase. Twenty divided by 10 equals. All right. What about 5? Blank times 10 equals 80. Who can tell me what number belongs in this blank space? Alexa?
8.
8. 8 times 10, 80. All right. I still have enough space to do another multiplication number sentence. Who can tell me what the other multiplication number sentence is for this fact family? Chase, what's the other multiplication number sentence? Ten times 8 equals 80. Okay. I need some division number sentences. Who can give me one division number sentence from this fact family? Kylie?
80 divided by 8 equals 10.
All right. And I need one more division number sentence. Violet, what would the other division number sentence?
A 80
Okay.
divided by 10 equals 2. I mean 8.
Equals 8. Very good job. Number 6. What number is missing from number 6? Blank times 4 equals 40. Blank times 4 equals 40. What number am I missing? Chase? 10. Okay, I'm missing the number 10 here. Who can give me the other multiplication numbers? Bailey? What's the other multiplication number?
Ten divided by
I'm not in division yet. I'm multiplication.
oh
So one of the number sentences is 10 times 4 equals 40. What's the other multiplication number sentence?
4 times 10 equals 40.
Okay, 4 times 10 equals 40. All right, now I need some division numbers. Who can tell me what's one division number? Jaylene?
Um, 40 divided by 4 equals 10.
All right, and I've got enough space to do one more. What's the last division number sentence for this fact family? Alexa?
40 divided by 10 equals 4.
Okay. Very good job.